So hello viewers, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I am back here with a new opportunity for all of you, and this opportunity is basically a winter school, that is refresher and preparative winter school at IISER Thiruvananthapuram, that is in Kerala, and it is one of the best institute. As you know that IISER is known for his research in the field of basic science. So I will be discussing in this video about this winter school and for whom it is and the duration and basically most importantly how to register for it. So I request all the viewers, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that this opportunity reaches up to more number of students, and also please subscribe it so that I get motivation to bring all new updates in front of you. So without wasting time, I will give the link in the description box from where you can access it. So it is basically for second year M.Sc students in the field of biology, chemistry and physics who are aspiring to join up their PhD in future. So in the basically in the NET, GATE or JEST or GDs aspirants or etc. who wish to join PhD course, and this program will give you a boost on how the research actually works, or what will be the facilities there, and what are the fields in your own disciplines. All this will be covered up in this program, and the duration is 4th to 21st December 2024, and last date for applying is 15 July. Only you have to travel on your own money, and other accommodation, food and registration all are free for you. Only you reach to only you need to reach to IISER Trivandrum, and the ticket from IISER Trivandrum back to your home you have to book by yourself. That money will not be given by IISER Trivandrum. Otherwise, the accommodation, food and other thing will be given up by there. And these are all the facilities up there. Wonderful labs and large number of instruments are available up there. If you visit up there, it has a wonderful campus located in Trivandrum, Kerala. And if we come up first, it is for biology students, and eligibility is final year of M.Sc or integrated BSMS in biological science. Intake is 50, and if you have any queries you can email up there, and this will be the top speakers in different field. And same comes for chemistry. If you have any question you can email up there, and same 50 students will be taken up, and its eligibility will be final year MSc and integrated BSMS in chemical science and allied subject. You can check out from there. These are the notable speakers in different fields. And for physics, it is specially designed up for master's level or same for final year BSMS students, where you can get the problem solving exercises and different concepts about the different fields, and also you can get a exercise into the research facilities in different field for future exploration in your PhD. And discussion, here is some points mentioned, you can check out from easily up there. And for these are the eminent speakers, and for every field it is written up there, you have to register now. You have to click up there, then link will open up. That is one Google form is open up. It is very easy to oh, fill up this Google form. You have to provide up your email, your own name, then date of birth, then gender, mobile number, your photo, then one of your ID proof, then category, then address for communication, your own residential address, your subject, the university in which you are studying, Then it is a private university or public university. Your M.Sc CGPA or percentage. Then you have to give your mark sheet. Then BSc mark sheet and BSc percentage you have to give up there. Then you have to give your class 12 percentage and class 10 percentage. And if you have any awards such as Inspire or other state fellowship, you can already mention up here. And you have to attach a PDF of two recommendation letter from your head of the department or your college or institute, and attach the file there in the PDF format. You have to write a statement of purpose of your field of interest and click on submit. And same comes for the physics, chemistry and biology field. So this is a great opportunity to explore up the further field of research for which will be beneficial for your PhD, for selecting up the PhD topic. And also if you are willing to join up the PhD program in IISER Trivandrum, it is a best opportunity to explore up IISER Trivandrum and also its facility and other thing, environment, surroundings, all the thing you will easily come to know if you are applying it and if you get selected up there. So last date is 15 July. So please apply up here, and thank you for watching, and please share up with all of your friends. Thank you.